Balerion was the last living creature to have seen old Valeria before the Doom. Its greatness and its flaws. When you look at the dragons, what do you see? Answer me. It's important. What do you see?
I suppose I see us.
Tell me.
Everyone says Targaryens are closer to gods than to men. But they say that because of our dragons. Without them, we're just like everyone else.
The idea that we control the dragons is an illusion. They are a power man should never have trifled with. One that brought Valeria its doom.